Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to learn about Java streams and how to use them in our code. Java streams are used to process collections of data such as arrays or lists in a more functional way. They are a powerful tool for any Java programmer to have in their skill set. So let's get started. Firstly, let's define what a stream is. Streams are a sequence of elements that can be processed in parallel or sequentially. The main idea of a stream is to optimize the performance of the code by limiting the amount of memory used for processing. This is an area in which streams excel, particularly for large datasets. To use a stream in our code, we need to create a stream from a collection. This can be done using the stream method. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have created a stream from a list of strings. Now we can perform operations on this stream, such as filtering or mapping. Let's take a look at an example of filtering. In this example, we are filtering the stream to only include elements with a length greater than 3. We are using a lambda expression to achieve this, which is a concise and readable way of writing code. Now let's take a look at an example of mapping, which changes one value to another. In this example, this is achieved using the map function and a lambda expression. We can also combine multiple operations together to create more complex queries. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we are filtering the stream to only include elements with a length greater than 3, mapping each of these elements to uppercase, and then printing the final result using the forEach function. This creates a powerful and concise way of processing collections of data. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has given you an introduction to Java streams and how to use them in your code. Thanks for watching and happy coding.